How to fix Hogwarts Legacy Frame, FPS, drops and stuttering issues. 1. Quit then restart the game. 2. Reboot your system. Three. Disable Control Flow Guard, CFG, in Windows Security. 4. Manually update. DLSS files by using the latest version of NVIDIA DLSS. Note: place the download at Steam Apps Common Hogwarts Legacy Engine Plugins Runtime NVIDIA DLSS Binaries Third-Party Win64. 5. Update your GPU. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Play or uninstall then reinstall Hogwarts Legacy on SSD. 7. Consider using or installing a dedicated GPU. 8. Update the game regularly. 9. Lower in-game settings accordingly. Tip: select the performance mode for DLSS and enable NVIDIA Reflex Plus Boost. And upgrade your hardware if needed.